Hey guys, hello, how are you? Hope you're doing great. So I'm back with a new and fresh video. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about some of the mobile photography tricks and how to take pictures like a pro from your smartphone camera. So this is Ashu and you're watching Techbae. So without wasting much more time, let's get straight into the video. So everyone doesn't have a costly camera or a DSLR, but I think everyone has a smartphone, and these days smartphone companies have worked a lot on improving the smartphone cameras, and nowadays all the latest smartphones have a decent camera to take pictures like this. So to take motion pictures like this, the things you need is obviously a smartphone and application which take multiple pictures at a time, which can be downloaded from the link given in the description. You can download any of the three applications. All the three applications work the same and take multiple pictures at the same time. So you have to launch this application, and this application will take multiple images, about 40 to 50 images in just 3 to 4 seconds. So to use your own creativity and click awesome pictures, I'm gonna click some of the pictures, so let's see how. Make sure your camera lens is cleaned properly. To do so, you can use this type of cloth to clean your camera lens. One more important thing you have to keep in mind is this can be done best in the outdoors. So let's go outside. Outside here with the proper lighting condition, and now I'm gonna shoot that video. So I'm going to clip this balloon. So here we go. So these are the pictures clicked. So you can choose the best you like, and you have to delete all the unnecessary images. I think this can amaze your friends, so use your creativity and click some awesome motion pictures and show your friends. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to Techbae and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Till then, see ya, have a good day and bye.